in my mind, I keep singing, okay, we back. We're so back. Yo, it's your girl, Dr. Dej. And guess what? I'm back. And listen, I have to say, so many things have changed. I mean, since we last spoke almost 6 years ago, I am in a new space, both mentally, professionally. We were moving into a 3,000 plus square foot home, and I am now a divorcee and a single mom. And I'm here to tell you that there is life after life, and I am over the moon to share this next chapter. I'm over the moon to be back. Listen, when I started this channel, I remember thinking to myself, like, oh my gosh, this is growing and it's growing faster than I had anticipated. I remember posting my new home video. I was talking about wanting to lose weight. Your girl is down about 35 pounds. And so I got some goals to hit this year, so I'm excited to talk about that. But I mean, overall, life is good and I have so much joy in my heart, and I always say that. And when I was thinking about how I wanted to enter 2026, I decided that what better way than to relaunch my favorite thing ever, my YouTube channel. And so here we go. I'm super excited. I want to talk a lot about life after life, right? There is no such thing as ending a chapter in your life and not having life anew. I don't believe that God has put us here to end and just be stagnant in one place. And so I hope that me sharing some of my testimonies, some of my exciting things that I have coming down the pipeline, my new space for me and my little nugget, and how that's gonna come to life, because that's my bread and butter, y'all. Like, I love home decor down, okay? I enjoy creating spaces. And so we moved into this new home almost a year ago, and I needed to take a beat. I had gone through a whole bunch, coming off the heels of a divorce, finding new boundaries with different areas of my life as well, and just kind of redefining what this next chapter of my life was going to look like was really important for me. And I needed to give myself grace during that period. But now I am ready to do all the things that I set out to do from jump, and I'm so excited to take y'all along that journey with me. And so here we are. I'm going to share with you a video that I took quickly as I was in a crazy transition period. But I wanted to do another empty house tour. And what you're going to notice as you watch this empty house tour is, one, I was flying through it. And that was because literally I was doing the empty house tour as the movers were approaching. And so it ends a little abruptly because literally the movers are like, hey, we outside. But all of that to say, I showed some really cool spaces in this home. I did decide to downsize. I am a single mom, and so I need to have a line of sight to my child as much as possible, and I knew that I wasn't going to be able to do that in a really big space. And so the goal is to make this as comfortable and as cozy as humanly possible. And I want to talk about how you do that as a single mom, one income, on a budget, but really truly, caring about the quality and, the stories that you tell in your space. And so I thought, I should shoot this somewhere cool. I love my office. I think it's cool. And so hopefully y'all do too. I'll talk a little bit more about how this space has come together, but also I'm in the lab right now. I'm literally editing videos. I'm in Premiere. I'm teaching myself some things that I've forgotten over the years. And I am just thrilled to start 2026 with a renewed sense of self and saying hey again to y'all. And so, hey to my new people, and hey to my old people. Here we go. Hello. Welcome back to my channel. Guys, guess what? I bought a new house. I'm so excited to be here and to start on this journey of decorating. Listen, when I first found the house, I was like, oh, we'll just be here for a little bit. But after everything, I think we're gonna be here for a long time. So we're gonna get settled in. And listen, I'm very excited for you guys to see all of the cool projects that I'm gonna do in here. So stay tuned. Your girl is back and life looks a lot different. So behind me, we have a big old empty living room area, which is TBD on what's happening here. I had an idea for this massive, if I go back this way, 2-story wall. But we'll see how that all comes together, but I think it's such a huge focal point, so I want to be really intentional there. Over here, again, we got 2-story windows, so I definitely want to look into some really cool window coverings that can give me some privacy in the evenings. And then over here, I started to put stuff just out of boxes, so let's just take it with a grain of salt for right now. But huge kitchen space. I don't know if you can see how big it is, but it's a huge space. A lot of counter space, a lot of cabinet space. Like, I don't even know what to put in some of these cabinets. Your girl is so happy. So yes, that is the kitchen. We come back this way. I have a beautiful pantry that I've started to put things in already. And then we have a guest bathroom back here. And I'm excited about this room because I think I want to do some really funky, like, wallpaper mirror situation, similar to what I did in my old house. Maybe not similar, but just the reno vibe will be similar. Not gonna take y'all in the garage, but just know it's a big space, and I'm going to be putting a little mini gym in there. I've already talked to my bestie this morning and talk about what type of equipment we want to put in the gym, but soon come, and I'll show you guys that as well. And I feel like I'm flying through this. It's because I am, because I literally have movers on the way. So empty house tour, and I'm literally moving like in a few hours. So can't really see much in here, but right now it's a blank slate. This is gonna be my kiddos' room here. They're gonna head this way. His bathroom's over there. Y'all don't need to see that. This very big area behind me is meant to be like a media room, but I'm actually gonna be turning this into my office space because if you know me, you know I work from home a ton, so definitely need space for my office. / I'll have a little couch in there for guests that want to come and stay over. And then we get into the master. So here is what is my room. And I'm so excited because it gets such good light. These huge windows in here are absolutely phenomenal. Shout out to the camera girl because it's a little jerky right now. But very excited. Look at the ceiling, is nice and tall. And I've never had stairs before, so when you hear me breathing heavy, I'm like, oh, this is a thing when people have stairs in their home.